1, 2, 3, test of my ugly voice. 1, 2, 3, test of my ugly voice. Hi, how are you doing? In today's video, I will share with you the Audacity effects that I use to improve my voiceover. First of all, if you don't have the software already installed on your computer, you can download it from the official website here, then install it as usual. After installing the software, make sure to select your right recording device from here, and let's record a short sample. 1, 2, 3, test of my ugly voice. 1, 2, 3, test of my ugly voice. As you can hear, there are some noises with the sound. So let's fix this first. Select the noisy part, go to Effect, Noise Reduction, and press on Get Noise Profile. Select the entire audio, turn on the noise reduction again, and apply this configuration to your software. If the sound is too low, you can use the compressor effect and symbolize your configuration like this. Now in the third and the fourth effects is where the magic happens. Go to Filter Curve and import this file on it. Until now we got a good improvement, I think, but we can make it better. Select the graphic equalizer effect and import this file into it, or you can simply redesign this shape in your interface. If the sound is louder, try to set the limiter effects with the configuration that suits your own voice. Hit the OK button, and let's hear if we can get some improvement. 1, 2, 3, test of my ugly voice. 1, 2, 3, test of my ugly voice. Tell me what you think in a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you like to get more about the best software to record and purify your sound.